Good morning students, myself Abhinav Singh and I am going to take a class on chapter 2 types of softwares, okay, of class 5. Our book is there, Primary Computer Studies ICC pattern. In this chapter we will discuss about the different type of software we are using in our computer. A computer is a dumb machine which does not have any intelligence of its own and it follows the instructions given by the user. The instructions to the computer are given through programs, and the collections of our computer programs that provide instructions to the computer is known as a software. By this line you can understand what is the software. Software is a program made by a designer, software engineers, to conduct or to do the work which instruction was given to the computer to do that particular work through the programs, and to doing that work they need some instructions, and that instructions is known as software. Okay, we are using software for doing our special purposes work. Hardware and software are the interdependent, and without software a computer cannot work, and if hardware is not there, software is of no use. It is just like the movies or song recorded on a DVD or CD which cannot be played without a DVD player. Here DVD examples they have given. In this matter we have two things in our computer. Computer works on two things. One is hardware, another one is software. Okay, without hardware, if you have hardware but you don't have software, then also computer will not work. If you have software but no hardware, then also computer will not work. Means हार्डवेयर इज देयर, हार्डवेयर वर्क्स एज अ ह्यूमन बॉडी विदाउट द सोल, मीन्स एक इंसान का शरीर बिना आत्मा के. तो इफ इट्स वर्क्स एज अ ह्यूमन बॉडी, सॉफ्टवेयर वर्क्स एज ए सोल. सोल मीन्स आत्मा. ओके, if a human body is there but no soul inside the human body, that the human body will be a useless thing. It is also hardware will be a box type structure. Without software it is useless, it can't work properly. It's not have any instructions to do work, so it is a dumb machine only. Like that also here also they have told computer is a dumb machine. Dumb machine, a box only, in which if software is not there it will not work properly. Here they have given example of a CD and DVD. You have CD, you have DVD also, but if you don't have their player in which it will work, DVD player, it will not work properly. Means you need both the things, CD also, DVD also. If you have DVD, then you don't have CD, then also it is useless, only a dumb machine. You need both the things, hardware and software also need for working on computer. Computer software is classified into two main categories. Computer softwares are divided into two main categories. Here you can see that softwares are of two types: system software, application software. How many software are of two types? System and our application software. They have their different works to do. By this purpose only they are distributed and they are different from each other. How they are different from each other, let us discuss further. First we will discuss about system software. System software is a set of one or more programs that control the functionality of a computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer, and it controls the internal operation of a computer and the device attached to the computer. Without it, the computer cannot understand any command or instructions given by the user. For example, you have a computer. Computer is connected with a keyboard. Okay, so many buttons are there like this. If you are typing something in this keyboard, it will be understood by computer by the use of only system software. If system software is not there, the instructions given by you through keyboard will not be understood by the computer. Here they have told that it is work as an interface. Interface means mediator work, means to communicate both. User means us, we human being are user, and computer. To use the computer, system software helps us. It control the computer. It's full control the computer. For example, our human body have soul, like that I have told you already. But human body have souls, and system software can be classified into four categories. In our system software is also of four categories: operating system, operational support system, language processor, device driver, and utility software. Okay, let us understand about this in detail here. Let's just discuss these things in detail. First, we will discuss about operating system. In simple words, it is a link or interface between the user and the computer. Operating system is a software that manage and control all the operations related with hardware and software. You can also call it as a system manager or a resource manager. There are different operating system for different type of computers. What are the work of an operating system? User, VR, applications, what we are using, operating system is there, hardware is there. For example, your computer is connected with a printer, scanner, Xerox machine, like that, any other machine it was connected, speaker also. How they work? They work due to the operating system, because operating systems control all the operation related to the hardware and software. It's control all the things in your computer, and that's why it is also known as a system manager. As you know, we have also manager in our company, also we have manager in our schools, also we have managers. All the managers, what they are doing, they are just controlling the school, what to do, what not to do, who will do the things, who will not do the things, whose duty is what, they control it. Okay, they decide the operation and they control all the things. That's why here also this operating system is also known as a system manager or resource manager. Means what resources we are providing to the computer, to how to control, what to control, and how to deal with them, it will decide. Here one thing they have told, there are different operating systems for different types of computer. Different operating system for different type of computers. If your type of computer is different, then operating system will be also a different type. How? It will be explained here. Desktop and notebook computer operating system. The Windows family is leading series of a desktop operating system. In desktop operating system, only one company is in the top brand. It is our Windows. In nowadays also you can see in your computers Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8. All products are made up of Windows only. So we can say that Windows is a mark or main company at back of the operating system designing. The MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, and PC-DOS, Personal Computer Disk Operating System, was one of the original operating system from an IBM PC, and it is clone. Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, and Mac OS are few examples of operating system. Some computers are conducting Mac system, some computers are Ubuntu system, some computers are conducting Windows system. In our school or in our homes, normally we are using Windows because it is a top brand now in our operating system. For more explanation, for example, we are in this previous what we have told you, Windows on Ubuntu and Mac, they are for the PC. For mobile device also we are using different operating system. For example, your iOS is there. What? iOS, Apple released the first version. It is the operating system of which company? Apple phones. Which company? Apple phones. Okay. Released the first version of iOS together with their first iPhone in 2007. It was originally named the iPhone OS. It is a name first given to this. It was iPhone OS, but was renamed in iOS in June 2009. OS is also there and iPhone becomes I. Okay. Now, in which phone you are watching this video, it is maybe the iOS type or maybe the Android type, because Android type maximum phones are there. Only Apple company phones are of iOS type, and Samsung, Vivo, Redmi, Realme, all this type of phone, Oppo, they are all conducting Android software. So what? Android operating system. It started as a project in October 2003, was finally financially backed up by Google, and Google fully acquired it by August 2005. This project was started in August 2003, but because of due to some financially problem, they have stopped their work and they have fully acquired at August 2005. This software came in market in August 2005. And Android is an operating system designed for cell phones and smart books based on Linux. The cell phones we are using now, you are watching the video also, that cell phone also considering maybe Android, maybe iOS, and one or mobile things are there, maybe BlackBerry, maybe Windows Mobile, maybe Bata, maybe Symbian. These two are nowadays not using that much, but Korean side. Okay, Windows phone we have Lumia, Microsoft Nokia phones, Windows they are considering. BlackBerry, it's a different brand. They are BlackBerry carrying their own operating software. It was launched in January 1999. This history you have to learn. Okay, this history you have to just remember, and there are some full forms are also there. RIM means Research in Motions. They have prepared the BlackBerry. Windows Mobile 7, Windows software they are using, Windows mobile software for the PC version, for smartphone version, and communicators some extra. Pocket PC means our pocket mobile, we can say the pocket PC. And BADA and our Sebian Sebian platform is based on the memory economic and high performing speed. These softwares are used in that phone which have high performing speed and memory economics process. BATA is a mobile software system designed for smartphone and tablet, first released by Samsung Electronics in 2010. Samsung is using BATA software, but the word BATA originated from Korean word that means ocean or sea. BATA. Okay. These are used by firstly in Samsung. Now Samsung are using Android. Next we have operating support system. Okay. An operating support system, OSS, is a group of a computer program or an IT system used by communication service provider for monitoring, controlling, analyzing and managing a computer or telephone network system. It is specially dedicated to the telecommunication service provider and mainly used for supporting network process to maintain network inventory, configure network components, provision service and manage faults. What this OSS means? It's a group of computer programs. So many computer programs are there. It is a group of software. Okay, support system. What they do, you are using Airtel, BSNL, Jio, what SIM you are using, the network system. Okay, they are monitoring. This OSS are providers for monitoring, controlling, analyzing. Monitoring means on 24 hours monitoring means 24 hours looking on that thing. Controlling means control करना. Analyzing means check करना, recheck करना, बार-बार check करना, और managing means उसको ठीक करके वापस रेड करना. A computer or a telephone network system. What network system you are using? They are doing these things in that network. Airtel, Jio, they are doing this: monitoring, controlling, analyzing, and managing. It is specially dedicated to the telecommunication service. This is not for us. This software, this type of system is specially dedicated to the telecommunication services. Means our Airtel, Jio type, they are of telecommunication service. Now, next we have language processor. What is a language processor? Computer understand only a language that is a machine language. Already you know that when computer can only understand a machine language. Okay, but it is difficult for human to understand machine language and write program using it. Language processor or a translator. Language processor have other name, what the name is? Translator. Now translator, what do you mean by translator? Translator are the mediator. When you, for example, you are an Odia person, or you are talking with a Telugu person. Okay, Telugu person you are talking. Do you think that Odia person will understand your Odia person? When Odia person is talking, the Telugu person will understand your what you are giving and what you are talking about? Do you think? No. But if middle a man is there, or a mediator or a device, anything is there which convert your Odia language into its Telugu language, then he or she will understand your topics or thing. Like that also, we users talk normally our language, but our language is not understood by the computer. Computer only learned what? Machine level language. So what to do? We are using some different type of translators to translate our language to the machine language. What are those translators? First is our compiler. Okay, compiler we are using. After compiler, assembler is there. And one more thing is the interpreter. What? Interpreter. These three types of translator we are using in our computers. First is there assembler. What is the assembler means? Assembler convert a program written in assembly level language in machine level language. That is assembly code into machine code. Assembler name only indicate that like this we have machine, different type of languages we have. Machine level we have, फिर assembly level we have, then we have high level language, low level language. This type of different languages we are using. In this, assembly language is converted into machine level language, in which our assembler name only indicates assembly name, assembler device. Assembler translate your assembly level languages into machine level coding. Compiler. What compiler will do? A program written in high level language is converted directly into machine level language. When your program is in a high level, high to machine, it will done by a compiler. Compiler is used in that computer in which you are using high level language to machine level language. In that computer we are using compiler. And what is interpreter now? Interpreter translate a program in a step-by-step process, and this is a slow process and consume high memory, as the interpreter also execute the correct code along with a reporting the error. Interpreter also convert your languages into machine level language, but it's explain you one by one. For example, you are writing I am Avinash Singh, you have written there, and interpreter will explain one, check and explain and check and translate one by one. It will write in machine language, fit then am, fit then Avinash, fit then Singh. In this process, this is a slow process and it store more storage. Slow process but accurate, because when it was checking step by step, one by one, if any mistake was there, then it will find the error and rectify it and correct it, and then it will send to the computer. Now we have device driver. This is all about our language processors. These three language processors we are using: assembler, compiler and interpreter. Device driver. A device driver is a program that controls a particular type of device attached to your computer, and there are device driver for printer, display, CD-ROM, reader and so on. Okay. When you acquire an operating system, many device drivers are built in it, and thus allowing you to simply connect and use different devices. Over a period of time, newer devices are invented and the operating system we weaken older and may not respond to the new device. The device driver program is helpful here. What is device driver program? When you are installing any antivirus or any printer or any scanner in your computer, you have noticed that with that one software or one CD types, they are giving you driver like this. This driver you put in your computer and you install the software. That software will be there, then only your printer, camera or other device will be working. Okay, every printer, every camera has their own device driver. So you have to just install the device driver in your computer so that you can use that particular printer. Otherwise, you bring your printer, you have not installed your device driver, then your device means your printer will not work as per your choice. If you want to print a paper, he will ask you the device driver software. If you have not put any device driver software, it will not work. So the device driver program is helpful here to work with an external devices. What? External devices. In other words, device drivers are set of instructions that introduced your computer to a newly installed hardware device as a peripheral device, and your computer recognizes the new device using these instructions and communicate with those devices. What I have told you previously, when you install a new device in your computer, for example printer or scanner and other things, your device driver gives the instruction to your computer, or you can say that introduce your device to your computer, because it is new to him. It will introduce that it is a printer, its work is to doing printing. After introducing, your device driver will be saved in the computer, and that device, when you are doing printing, that device name is automatically coming there. Now we have next software, utility software. This is all about all our what software? System software. Okay, utilities, these are already installed in system before you are buying the computer. This is all are previously installed. Utility software. Utility software helps the user to solve specific problem related to hardware or software. These are also called service program. Most operating systems include several utility programs, but many other utility programs are available on CDs or can be downloaded from the internet. Some of the common utility software packages are: these utility software packages help you to manage your hardware devices and manage your software also. Some utility softwares are already installed, previously installed from the company only, of your computer company, and some utility softwares you have to buy through CDs and you have to install there. For example, there are some utility software is given there. For example, your antivirus utilities. What antivirus was doing? Antivirus scan for the computer viruses and remove them. And what the work of the antivirus software? Antivirus software scans your computer. If virus is there, it will remove them also. Backup software is work for taking your backups, your data, your selected file will be backup, so that if any case would happen, if any damage to your computer, your data should not be damaged. Accidentally any deletion will be there, your data should not be gone or removed. So that for that risk only we are using our backup software. Then data compression utility. A shorter stream or a smaller file when provided with a stream or a file. Data compress means if you have a big data file, it can compress your data so that it can be easily fit on your storage area. Disk cleaner, it is also, you know, that some external disks we are using in our computer, it will clean unnecessary to a computer operation, it will clean them and make it useful to us. Disk defragmenter, detect computer files whose content are scattered across several locations. Disk defragmenter is a software, or you can say utility software present in a computer, which show you that one type of softwares are distributed in so many folders of your computer. It will collect them and make it in one place. Screensavers prevent phosphorus burn on CRT. Means when you have on the screen for a long time, you can see that your computer will start wandering with some names, windows or like etc. They all are screensavers. Means don't put your computer idle for a long time. There should be no idleness for computer for a long time in CRT, cathode ray tube formation. It can be burn also. So you should be work with frequently, you have to work there. Now we have application software. What we have? Application software. Application software I can explain you directly, because application, if I compare this application software with our human body, system software in our human body, system software work as a soul. Okay, soul. Application software works as a different part of our body, because our different part of our bodies have a different functions to do. For example, our eye, nose, mouth, ears all have their different functions to do. They can't exchange their works. Here also we can see that application software are designed for end users, and it consists a set of programs used to solve a particular problems. They can do a particular problem. They can't do all the things. They are not all-rounder. They are made to do a particular thing of the user through a computer. Application software package are widely used in educational, business and medical fields. These type of softwares are widely used in business, schools and medical fields. Okay. Application software can further be divided into two categories: general purpose application software and specific purpose or customized application software. Two types of software we will read about in application software. General purpose, which general word it can indicates you the software or the things that can be used everywhere. Okay, anyone can use that one. That's why we are using general purpose application software, that we have given this name, because it can be used by anyone. What are the general purpose? General purpose application software includes application packages that are designed to carry out multiple common tasks such as word processing, image editing, spreadsheet manipulation, and the different type of general purpose softwares are, means the common things what we are doing in our computers comes under general purpose software. And here 6 type of general purpose software we are using. First is word processing software, spreadsheet software, presentation, desktop publishing software, database, multimedia. This thing I will explain you in a shortcut way, means not to read all this thing. This thing you can understand very quickly, because already you have learned in this in your previous classes. What is this? Means word processing software, a software which deal with only word. For example, we have a word processing software, MS Word, Microsoft Word we have seen in our computers. They deal only with the word, means they can't be added their videos, anything extra things we can't add there. Related to words we can do here any editing, anything, but with images, with videos, with sound, we can't use anything in this word processing software. And what is the use of the word processing software? It is generally used to create like content like a poem, invitations letter or a report, nothing much. Okay, now we have our second one is presentation software. Presentation is also a little bit same as a word processor, but in this we can use it allow the add slides and use various formatting features like different type of backgrounds. In this we can add different font, animations, audio, video, clip arts and other graphics. We can, in this software we can use audio, video and other things also. And best example of in presentation software is Microsoft PowerPoint. In this we can add audio also, video also, images also and other things. For making more attractive presentation we can use it. Here is an example of MS PowerPoint. In this we can add audio, video, we can also write, we can write in different manners, different style, different designs. Database software. What is a database software? Database is a collection of a data, and the purpose of this software is to organize and manage data. For example, you are a businessman, a big businessman, you have to manage your data, how much you have prepared, how much you have gained, how much loss is there, everything you have to manage in one place. You have to write and prepare it. That data is managed and organized by database software. You can use your data to write here and it will manage your data and you can access anytime, anywhere, any place. The advantage of these softwares are that you can change the way data is stored and displayed. MS Access and Oracle are some of the example of database software. A phone directory can be created using this type of software. इसका सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या है कि इसमें आप लोग जब चाहे चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, जैसा चाहे चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. मतलब आपका डाटा कैसे दिखना चाहिए, डेट पहले दिखना चाहिए कि प्रोडक्ट पहले दिखना चाहिए कि टाइम, रेट, किसको पहले दिखाना है किसको बाद में दिखाना है, आप इसमें जब चाहे चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. That was the point. Next we have our spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software मतलब spreadsheet software. Here we have an MS Excel. They are already made with a table. In this software the tables are already prepared. You have to just entry and use it. In this spreadsheet software we can use so many things in this one, plus, minus, multiply, divide we can use in here also. It is mostly used for our storerooms and our big businesses. What loss are there, what profit are there. It is used to enter data in a tabular form. Which form you want? If you want to enter your data in a tabular form, means you want to write in your data in a tables. So then you have to use this type of software, spreadsheet software. Okay. Now we have desktop publishing software. Desktop publishing software, what is it? Desktop publishing is a process of using the computer and specific type of software to combine text and graphic to produce documents such as newsletter, brochures, books, etc. Books, you can see that books is a combination of words and pictures also. For example, this book is there. Words are also there. Photos are also, pictures are also there. Okay, colorful pictures, black and white pictures. So this type of software, desktop publishing software, help you to make your own book type structure on this type of structure. Means you can write also and you can add some pictures for more attraction. Do you think that if a book is there, only writing will be there and no photo will be there, it will be interesting? क्या लगता है अगर सिर्फ लिखा होगा और एक भी फोटो नहीं होगा तो क्या तुम लोग को पढ़ने का इंटरेस्ट आएगा? नहीं. इसीलिए इस टाइप का सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करें ताकि तुम उसमें लिख भी सको और उससे रिलेटेड कुछ फोटोज को डाल भी सको, ताकि फोटोज देख के आधे बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट तो इसी में आता है. फिर आता है हमारा सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जिसमें तुम लोग डेली लगे रहते हो, वो है मल्टीमीडिया सॉफ्टवेयर. मल्टीमीडिया, मीडिया प्लेयर्स एंड रियल प्लेयर्स आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया. मींस इट अ टाइप ऑफ अ सॉफ्टवेयर इन विच यू कैन सी मूवीज, you can hear songs, you can play videos and you can record also. You can, means it is a multimedia one. Okay, you can see the images, videos, pictures, song, you can hear song also, you can record also. The software is used to listen to song and watch movie also. In this audio converter is also there, burner, player. And this is a multimedia software. Nowadays your multimedia means VLC, MX player. This type of software we are using to watch movies. Alright, this is our multimedia software. Now we have a special category of a application software, special purpose or customized application software. Hotel management software. This software, what is a special name was indicated, means you can think that it is for some special work only. No one else can use this one. For example, hotel management software refer to the management technique used in the hotel sector, and this can include hotel administration, account, billing, money, marketing, housekeeping, front office or front desk management, food and beverage management, and catering and management. Means maintenance. Means in this software you can do these things only, not other things. You cannot watch movie, you cannot write anything. Means you can only deal with this particular things, accounting, billing, marketing only. This is software specially made for hotel people only, who have their own hotels and they want to enter the data of the guests who are staying in their hotel. Then one more example they are given, reservation system software. Do you ever have done reservation in train? In train station you have seen that in counter one man is sitting with a computer. In that computer one software is there, reservation system software. In this software they can't do anything else except getting reservation, cancelling ticket, booking reservation and cancelling ticket. This software is specially made for booking tickets and cancelling tickets, etc. In this you can get so many options for department to automatically check the availability of the seat. This software is directly connected with the railway department or flight department, so that when they enter your name, date, age, etc., they can check that seat available is there or not. Everything is there. This is also known as a tailor mode or bespoke software, other name of a reservation software. Nowadays by using the internet and this software, one can book a reservation ticket of any train from any date within time. Nowadays this type of software you can use, for example in your mobile, maybe that IRCTC app will be there for getting train ticket. For this you don't have to go for the station, you can sitting on your home also you can book your train ticket and go anywhere, any place with the train. Nowadays for the corona problem the trains are cancelled, otherwise we can roaming here and there with the train only. We can go for picnic, we can go for a vacation, like that. So this much for this chapter. Types of software. Two types of softwares are there, system and application. Applications are also different type and system is also different type. If you have any doubt you can comment me, and I hope you all have understand very well. So thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt you can comment and ask me. Thank you.